Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the Technical Trader at thetechtrader.com. It is July the 2nd, Thursday. It's time for our weekly swing trade reviews. So let's take a look at them. The AEBA base breakout and then consolidation resulted in a nice spike last week, or this week, I should say. But the last couple of days were down as the stock pulls back and retests. The target, if it does extend, is 33 and 38. LI broke out, we put a swing on it, it worked for a bit, and now it's pulled back. Has to hold here, ideally. I don't want to see any further damage. A retest of 1920 is in order, that's your next target. First 16, and then 1920. Blackberry in a beautiful 5-wave advance, finally got some profit taking today as the market took a hit, but it's had a beautiful run. I don't know if it's done. If it consolidates again without breaking down too much, you might see mid to high teens. Butterfly broke out of a base with a breakaway gap and pulled back. We put a swing on it. It did very well for 5 days and then backed off again with the rest of the market. But I need this one to hold around the 6 3/4 range and run back up towards 9.5. Beyond that, it's 11. BTQ breaks out of a base, put a swing on it, it retested, it popped, it formed another wedge. But today it was down about 7.5%, is on support at the trend line. I needed to hold here, reverse, and move up towards 7 3/4, 8, your next target. Broadband spiked, wedged, popped, is in another wedge, and I believe we're going to get close to $6 on this one. CDL broke out of a base, pull back, have a swing on this one, an older swing. Stepped this way higher after consolidating for a few weeks, broke out this week, and then reversed to retest the breakout point here. Your targets 12 and 14. CMPS broke a breakaway gap and consolidation, gave us an entry opportunity for a swing. It moved from about 7 3/4 to 15 and change and doubled, but it has pulled back. Now today was a good day for it as it was up on a down day. Your target 17. Fuel cell, what a monstrous double. This stock doubled in 3 days on big volume, so I'm not surprised to see it pull back, but today was a big one, dropping 379 or 12% after being up in the morning. Nevertheless, if it consolidates for a bit, I'm still looking for 40 and 45. FIGR added on the breakout at the declining tops line. Should it get through that, I'd be looking for high 30s, mid 40s. IMMX, a beautiful long-term rising channel coming out of a long multi-month consolidation. We put a swing on it today, reversed. I like this for a move into the 12 and that 14 range. OSS also in a beautiful rising channel with 5 waves. The consolidation that took place here looks promising, but today's pullback has it in jeopardy of a breakdown. Keep a stop under 14 on this one. Target 17 and 20. QUREB pulled back also today about 334, 7.5% on support at the gap. I needed to hold ideally or could fill that gap or worse. So for me, I want to see a rebound and a move back up towards 50, your next target. Rivian broke out of a beautiful base with big volume today, 77 million shares, closed above it, but although it did back off the high for the day. Nevertheless, current targets are 21, 23, and 25. RXT coming down in a 2-week falling wedge within a long rising channel, looking pretty good. It's on low volume. If I can hold it here and pop, we should see 8, 8.5. TE also backed off today, but it's within the larger wedge, and it's on the moving average and price support. Needed to hold there. Let's get this one back over 1090 and run it up to 12 3/4 and 14. TNGX, after breaking out here and pulling back, we put a swing on it. It's been going sideways for 3-4 weeks, forming a beautiful coil with a beautiful rising channel. I believe eventually the stock makes it to mid-30s and then 40. UMAK broke out of a falling wedge, ran up for 4 days, made a new high on this rally, and then backed off. Still, I like this for a move if it takes out 27 to the low to mid-30s. And finally, VOR added today, coming out of a beautiful base pattern with a decent little volume, up 12% in a lousy market. Your target is 25 and 28. And that's a look at some of the hot stocks still left at the TechTrader.com swing trade list. Bye, everybody. Have a great weekend.